Well, my name is Dawson Marks. The name of the company is Martec Precision. The facility is located in Brampton, Ontario. I started this business in 2006 in February. You know, it's a small company. We employ, I think, 7 people. I love machining. Machining is my talent and it's my skill, and it's something I love doing. You know, running the business, and my wife is very supportive and she takes care of a lot of that for me.
This whole world of manufacturing is a very busy world, and there's all kinds of things going on day in, day out.
Over here we do the larger diameter parts. This here machine's a Heritage ESL 10-2, which is a 10-inch chuck. And basically we're doing a cast iron piston for the mining industry. And on this here one is also, we have a ESL 8-2 with a bar feeder. This is the first machine I purchased. It allows me to run lights out. I've done jobs on this here particular machine 3 or 4 days straight. Even though I started off with a level entry equipment, you know, I produce high-end parts still with that, and I have no problems with quality. You know, I kept an open mind on things, actually. You know, I checked out different machine builders, and because of different equipments I ran over the years, and, you know, price-wise was one of them, and, you know, reliability another, and the service was the 3 things I really looked at. And in doing so, you know, I choose the OKUMA for the simple fact that, you know, there's something about it that I really like, the reliability and the quality of it. So,
when a customer comes out to visit our shop, I think when they see Okumas in the shop, they know that we're serious about machining. Okumas are high-end quality machines, and, you know, we strive to follow that reputation in our business. When you hear the Okuma name, you think of high-end and you think of quality, and that's what Dawson strives for in our business. So indeed, those machines would help him to deliver. Between his expertise and the Okuma machines, we do a bang-up job.
the motto is, where principles count. And the reason why my wife and I came up with that is that we are people of our word, you know, of our quality and of our deliveries, you know, and of training our employees. And overall, it's, you know, it's principles of life.